Hi my friends, Ian Stewart here, and in this tutorial video I want to show you how you can share the campaigns that you've put together with either your team or your downline. Okay, this makes it a lot easier for those that are not tech savvy. There is still a little bit of technical things to do, like altering affiliate links and things like that, but that's the same with everything. Okay, so all you need to do to share your campaign and give them permission is to click this little box here, share my campaign, then hit share my campaign. It will generate these codes down here, the Autoresponder ID, in this case 580, and the passcode. So all you need to do is to copy that and send it to those within your team or your downline. You must also include instructions on how to alter the affiliate links, but I will also do that in the next video. Okay, so that is how to share your campaign. Simple.